you've got a situation where Pam Bondi, oh, she knows better. She used to have a job like I had in Minnesota. She was a prosecutor of a major prosecutor office, and she knows, as well as Todd Blanche, her top deputy, who worked in the U.S. Attorney's Office. They all know that there's a line that you cross, and that our jobs are, as lawyers say in court, when the prosecution makes the case, they don't say in the federal system, I'm here representing Donald Trump, or I'm here representing the president. They say, I'm representing the people of the United States. I'm here on behalf of the people of the United States. That's where they have to make this decision. And I can't tell you, even as running a local office of a couple hundred people, how many calls you get. And Pam Bondi's gotten those calls too, from the past, pressure from the outside. Why are you prosecuting that guy's kid? Hey, he's really a nice kid. Hey, let that go. That's minor. That is just little stuff compared to what's going on here. But you have, as a prosecutor, are you going to go down that line and give into that pressure? Or are you going to let your line attorneys make the case and look at how you handle other cases when the people aren't famous or aren't enemies of the president? In this case, Sievert, out of Virginia, well-respected, made that decision. And in fact, all the news reports report that both Bondi and Blanche didn't want him to resign. They knew, in one report in the Washington Post, reported that Blanche had actually felt that there wasn't the evidence in those cases. And that was not the Schiff case. I don't even want to say case, because I don't believe there's a case, but it wasn't that investigation. It was involving Comey and, of course, the Attorney General of New York, Attorney General James. This is outrageous stuff that's going on, and Pam Bondi is going to have to make that decision. Is she going to stand up for the law and the oath that she took, or is she just going to fold to what this guy is saying on social media? This is a really big moment. All these moments were big. Through line, pardoning the insurrectionists, what happened with Eric Adams' case when they dropped those charges, the decision not to pursue what is now a reported bribe attempt on the border czar Homan for $50,000. All these are in the same milieu, but this thing is actually using the law as a weapon.
Democratic Senator Amy Klobuchar of Minnesota, thank you, as always, for coming.